What's up guys? Steve here with Speed Kings. Today we are going over bags. Right here we got a various selection of bags from different companies, from Leather Pros, Biltwell, Thrashin Supply, Ride Youngblood. All these bags range in various prices, of course, and they're all kind of used for certain things. We're gonna go over all of them, show you how they mount and why we use them. So we're gonna start this off with my personal favorite long travel bag, the Leather Pros version 2. Most people already know what these bags are. You guys have seen these bags around. You know the quality of these bags, but let me just tell you, these are definitely the best bags on the market. I've had multiple different bags on my dyno, and I always revert back to these. My favorite features of these bags are the quick release brackets. You put some pegs on your bike that come with the bags, and this is how it mounts. You put it on, you lock it in place. You want to take it off, you pull it open. On the V2 specifically, they added in this nice integrated lock. So you can just go ahead and put this in place, lock it up, pull the key, and you're good to go. Go ahead, unlock it, turn it, pull your handle up, and pull it off the bike. Boom, now it's luggage. Take them into the room. I can ride the bike without the bags for the weekend or whatever I need to do. My second favorite feature of this is the bag's expandability. So it's got a secondary zipper in here that you'll unzip, and the bag will expand twice its capacity. One of the other great features of the V2 version is the heat shields. It's a double layer heat shield, and it really helps keep the bag safe. I know in the version 1s there were some issues with exhaust pipes, and this definitely helps out a lot. And this heat shield is on both sides. It also has this nice external pocket right here, so you can throw your daily essentials in there. These bags are available in a leather version like you see here, or also a ballistic nylon. I can't say enough great things about these bags. I have personally been running these bags for about 3 years now, ton of miles, ton of trips on these bags, and I just love them. This bag's gonna run you $859 for the leather version, and you're looking at $799 for the ballistic nylon. Both these options are high quality bags made in the USA, and you're gonna get what you pay for with these things. Quick detach, expandability, great quality bags. I back these bags. Next up is our Thrashin Supply Essential and Handlebar Bag. Everything I've ever seen from them, 100% quality, 100% function. I love their stuff. These essential bags are pretty new to the market and are fucking kick ass. Easy throw over bag, comes with a couple little small brackets that you can Velcro strap to your bike so it keeps them nice and straight so they're not all sunk in. They really went through and thought about the things that matter. Nice weatherproof zippers, great material, just an all around great day use bag. You can throw a 6-pack in here, you can throw your hoodie on this side, you can throw the couple things you need to run around with. Their handlebar bag we've been using for quite a long time now. This one's actually my personal one off my bike. When I go on long runs, I pull the tool off, I pack it full of the essential tools that I need for the day just in case something happens, and we rock and roll. So let's talk about why I would run these bags over, like say, Leather Pros. I'm gonna run these bags on my day trips. If I'm cruising up to Idlewild or I'm cruising out to Malibu for the day just to go ride the canyons or just to go have some fun with the boys and the girls, I'm gonna go with these bags. Just like I said, you can throw a hoodie in here, you can throw, your sunglasses or, various items in here when you don't wanna carry a bunch of shit with you. This is what I'm gonna use. If I'm gonna go for a weekend or for camping or travel and stay in a hotel, I'm gonna run my Leather Pros. That's what's great about having all these amazing options on the market. Let's talk about price point. I know that's important to most people. Your essential bags right here are gonna set you back at $239.99. Great price point for these bags. Your bar bag right here is gonna set you at $89.99. It's gonna come with your bar bag and your tool roll. Again, great price point, great quality. Next up is for you FXR guys, don't think we forgot about you. We have your Ride Youngblood pizza pockets. These things are fucking awesome. Waterproof zipper cover, nice little separation pieces inside to hold your phone, your wallet, your little things that you need. Right here on the back, they have these little eyelets. They mount right up to your side covers. Bottom strap right here just straps around your passenger peg mount. We have them in lefts and rights or as a whole set. For the FXR, these things are really cool because since they mount to your side panels, you could run still the Thrashin Supply handlebar bag or the Biltwell Exfil 7 on your bars. And you can still throw the Leather Pros on the back. So you have plenty of storage. Now these things come in at $49.99 for one, or you get the pair for $89.99. So you save a little bit of money if you buy both. These things offer so much compatibility to other bags, you have plenty of storage. Really cool bags, really great company to work with. All right, next in line, we got Biltwell's awesome line of bags. From the Exfil 80, Exfil 7, and the Exfil 11 tank bag. Let's start with the Exfil 80. This thing we actually ran to EDR last year on this bike right here. It's a great sissy bar bag. This thing comes with tons of features. My favorite feature is this padded section right here. When you pack it full and you're going on a long trip, you got a nice little section to lean against. That's always a good thing, right? But next up on this, boom, you got a spot for all your tools. I love how it's lined up right here for your sockets. You can throw your wrenches or screwdrivers in right here. You can throw some other cool parts in here, needle nose pliers, whatever. And what? Oh, you gotta work on that dude's bike over there? Fine, let's go. I really enjoy features like this on bags. It really shows the thought behind it and it makes the bag way more useful. Pull this bad boy out, and right here you got your rain guard that stays attached to the bag. One of my most favorite things about the Biltwell series of bags is where the name comes from. They pull the names out of how many beers they can fit into each bag. So the Exfil 80, you can fit 80 12-ounce cans in this bag. Exfil 7, how many can you fit? 7, that's right, good job. And the Exfil 11 right here, this tank bag, you're gonna get 11 beers in this one. Yeah. Oh, I wanna put a 12-pack? Drink it, throw the other 11 in here. You're good to go. The other cool feature about all their lines of bags is that they're using the MOLLE stuff. With these MOLLE straps on both sides of this bag, you'd be able to attach and expand this bag out. You could throw an Exfil 7 on the side if you wanted to, or any other bag that has the MOLLE features, which there's quite a few out there. And not just other MOLLE products, but you could attach a carabiner with a water bottle or your knife or anything cool that could clip onto these straps. It's a really neat feature on these bags. Comes with all these nice fancy buckle straps to hold the bag nice and tight to your sissy bar. The top right here, you can undo this strap, undo these side clips right here, and the top is essentially a Velcro opening. Jam all your 80 beers in there. Take this, you can twist it if you wanted to close it up more, and then buckle it back down. This thing will hold all your stuff, keep it safe, keep it out of the weather, and also give you some padding. Next up, we've got the Exfil 7. Nice little bar bag right here if you need some extra space than some of the traditional smaller bar bags. This I've actually seen also used as saddlebags. Some guys have taken it and mounted it to their struts and used it as two-sided saddlebags. It's really cool. Just a standard front pocket, holds 7 beers. You got your MOLLE features right here again. You can clip on anything you need to. Back on the backside right here, you got an extra little kind of hidden pocket right there. It's pretty cool. Comes with all your straps needed to mount this thing. Nice, simple bag. Third up on the list is the Exfil 11 tank bag. Again, a newer bag on the market, and it's a really cool bag. Very, very fucking strong magnets on this thing, actually. Was quite difficult to get off the bike once we had it on, and as you can see, it likes to stay magnetized. That's a good thing, because the last thing you want is this thing flying off with your phone in it in the middle of the freeway. Nice clear panel up front. You could throw a map in here. You could throw your phone in here and be able to see it. You can throw whatever stupid shit in here that you need to be able to keep an eye on. Opens up right here on the top. Nice storage area. You got your netting right here. Boom, there's your zipper into your clear area. You have multiple headphone ports or whatever kind of wire you need to run through there. Maybe be a charging cable. Your phone's nice and safe and you're still rocking your headphones. Inside, you got a couple nice little nylon features in here to hold extra little stuff. Plenty of room to fit 11 beers. You still have all your MOLLE straps on the side right here for expandability, just like the other Biltwell bags. You also have side access to the main pocket if you need to get into the side for whatever reason. The bag is actually expandable. So right here it has a little zipper and it expands a little bit taller to get you that little bit of extra room you might need. On the inside pocket, it's got a nice like softer material inside here. It's not gonna be an abrasive type material on your delicate electronic devices or anything with a nice finish. The sides is more like a Cordura material, so it's gonna withstand everything. It's gonna be nice and easily cleanable. But the back of it's what really matters, obviously, is this is a magnetic bag and you don't want this scratching your tank or your fresh paint or anything like that. So the material they have back here is nice and soft and kind of like a little sticky almost. You know, they really paid attention to all the details on these bags. The Exfil 80 and the Exfil 7 are available in 2 colors. The black as we show here, or an olive green, which is a really cool color as well. The cool thing about all these bags is they're all unique and functional in their manner. This Exfil 80 right here is gonna mount to your sissy bar. So you could run this bag in tandem with Leather Pros or the Thrashin Supply Essential bags or any other saddlebag type bag because this bag's not gonna take up that spot. Your Exfil 7 can be mounted in various different locations. With these leather straps, I've seen people put them on their side struts, I've seen people put them on their handlebars, I've seen people mount this bag just about anywhere. So again, this bag will work with other bags. And your Exfil 11 right here is more unique than the other ones as this is a tank mount magnetic bag. So that leaves the rest of your bike open for whatever you need. When you're going on long rides or cross-country rides and you're gonna need that extra storage, these bags all work great with other bags. So let's talk about price points. The Exfil 80 here is gonna set you back at 200 bucks. Great price for this bag. You got your Exfil 7 coming in at 70 bucks and your Exfil 11 at 130. I feel that these prices are all very good for these bags. The quality of these bags is top notch. You're gonna be happy with whichever one you choose. So we've gone through Leather Pros, Thrashin Supply bags, Ride Youngblood pizza pockets, and a series of Biltwell bags. These bags are all bags we use on our bikes personally. You can see that all these bags can be used together or separate. It's a great thing. You can never have enough storage on those long rides or just a little bit of storage on the short rides. So you make the judgment call on which bags are right for you, and we got you covered at speed-kingcycle.com.